Today we have the 2020 Mini Countryman. This is a petrol plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just under 75,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access media, communication, map and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. We can switch between e-drive and sport, mid or green mode. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.